if you got a 1998 Honda Civic Coupe EX, this is what you're gonna need. And if your brake lights are still staying on that 1998 Honda Civic EX, this is what you're gonna need. So you're gonna follow the brake pedal all the way up. And once you get up, you can see right here. Right here. See this? That's the switch interrupter. Now if you push this brake pedal, see that white piece that just came out? That's also the switch interrupter. But you're missing the grommet, which is this right here. The grommet is likely what broke off. So replace the grommet. See the black grommet right there? I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. It's a black grommet right there. See how that white piece goes in? That black grommet, it's a black grommet pushing this white piece in. So you put the grommet, yeah, that, now you can see it. The black grommet right here. Gonna need this black grommet. And that black grommet comes out of this pack. Comes out of this pack. Dorman 45393 from I want to say Advanced, not Advanced Auto, but AutoZone. That's where I'm currently at. It's gonna cost you, say, like $7. You don't need to get the Nissan one. Just put that one in there, you're gonna be Gucci. So again, get that Dorman 45393. Alright, his name is Clint. Have a good day. Or you can also, this is just another good piece. You can also go ahead and get this. This is going to be the switch interrupter from, what is it, AutoZone? Yeah, AutoZone. AutoZone's right there. Switch interrupter from AutoZone. And that this is preventative maintenance. Like, I can go ahead and switch that, but now my brake lights are not on still, so I might just hold on to this, and then if they start back coming on, then I'll just go in and install this. But this is just a continuation of that video, but that's all you need. Peace.